How to make grits at home. Grits are a Southern American dish made from coarsely ground corn kernels. They are a delicious and versatile dish that can be served for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Here is a simple recipe for making grits at home. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup grits. 2. 4 cups water or chicken broth. 3. 1 teaspoon salt. 4. 2 tablespoons butter. Instructions. 1. In a medium saucepan, bring the water or chicken broth to a boil. 2. Add the grits and salt to the boiling water and whisk until well combined. 3. Reduce the heat to low and simmer, stirring occasionally, for 20 to 25 minutes or until the grits have thickened. 4. Stir in the butter until melted and well combined. 5. Serve hot as a side dish for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Optional toppings. 1. Shredded cheese. 2. Bacon bits. 3. Scallions. 4. Shrimp. 5. Grilled chicken. 6. Fried eggs. 7. Hot sauce. Enjoy your delicious homemade grits. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.